Here's a quick review for the Lumberjack wood chipper, available at Tractor Supply. This is a 212cc 6.5 horsepower motor. It handles branches up to 3 inches. It comes with a little tow hitch, so you can attach to your lawnmower, which is the main reason why I bought it. It's made in China, and the welds will let you know that that's where it came from. But it's strong. It's about 200 plus pounds. But before you get too excited, these are not the stock wheels. It comes with something like this. I had this sitting on a hill, not a steep hill, but it wasn't level. And the first time I pulled that, the one wheel tacoed. So that wasn't cool. So out of the box, which it wasn't assembled when I got it. They didn't have any assembled at the time. So it took me about an hour and a half to put it together. And then I used it, broke it, more or less, and then put better wheels on it. And then, yeah, that was an $80 upgrade. So now we're at a little north of $700 total for this. To start it, it's pretty straightforward. It's got a fuel on and off, so as you're moving it, you can shut the fuel off to the carb, so then you don't have to worry about flooding it. You have a safety switch here, on and off, so you want to set that to on, and then depending on whether you're warm or not, choke it, make sure that's on, throttle back, and then you just pull this guy. So it's got 2 handles. You can maneuver it however you want by hand. So here's kind of what it rips. It rips some chips like this. This is all peach. Fill that whole thing up so I can smoke some meat with that. That would be cool. My problem was looking for other stuff. They wouldn't have a tow hitch for that. They might have something a little bit bigger than this, might go on a 2-inch ball. I guess I could put one on that, but I just wanted something more for like lawn use, and so I didn't mind having to upgrade this. I could figure it out, but I don't, if that's not something you want to fiddle with, then I would definitely not recommend this one.